So teardown of a Neo Forza 256 gig solid state drive. I'm guessing this is some weird Temu solid state drive with a part number that's longer than I care to read. But I figure let's crack this baby open and see what's inside. And one screw. What if this was made in the same factory as Team Group drives? One screw, and then its lid's basically a snap fit. That board's tiny. Just want to look at the screw types real quick. Be interesting to see who made the chips. Be even more interesting if I actually stayed in frame. And that's what we got. It's an SM chip like Team Group I tore down. SM2258XT. I don't know who SM is. Because I know on all the big brand stuff, Phison is the popular brand of controller chips. But the actual flash storage, the model number on it is basically the capacity, and this doesn't have any memory, so no cache. Lots of power regulation though. So not a lot to see, but now you know what's inside a Neo Forza solid state drive.